How's it going, everyone? I hope you guys are having a good day. This is my big update on ADTX as I can finally approve of this as a buy zone. This looks amazing right now. I get it that a lot of people have averages way worse. They're not liking this. And I get that. I totally get that. If you're above $1, $2, $3, then yes, I will say it's probably not going to ever go to that range. The EMA 20 is way up at 289, but as you can see, when it has this big, massive distance to it, it's going to scale down to a reasonable thing. Because remember, EMAs do lag, and this thing is trying to catch up to price. If it touched that EMA 20, that's a 400%. I don't see that happening. Realistically, what we're looking for is this EMA 10. And if you're waiting to get in on this price here, then you're getting an amazing entry to an EMA 5. This is a 33% move up to the EMA 5. Look at this EMA 5 time distance. This is amazing. I'm telling you, if you're not in this yet, you can get good money. Your risk versus reward is good. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 daily candles of not touching this ATR4. We're clearly penetrating it. So I like to say always by end of the day, because as you can see, when this goes down, it goes down all throughout the end of the day. So do keep this on watch right at the end of the bell, 3:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, whatever your market is. Let me just clarify, we are due for this yellow, which is the EMA 10, which is way back in here. I mean, this is insane. Last time we touched the 20 was 809. 909, 1009, we're way over 2 months, but this is really my more important target is the 10. It's 820. So 920, 1020, we're 2 months and a week above that. And the reason why I say that, and it's not just to say, oh, it has massive time distance, I want to get in based on that. No, you got to get precise entries, and that's why we have to use everything accordance. We have to make sure this ATR4, this lower green band, is touching. If it's not touching, like you can see right in here, oh, whoops. Like you can see right in here, it's almost touching, but it's not. It's almost touching, but it's not. It's almost touching, but and the reason why you want to make sure it's clear is because this is going to go down as price goes down. So when price tends to touch this, then you can get a big bullish move. Another thing I like to say is look at the K value here. You can see that the Ks are very low. We're at a 2.90, so that is very low. When we had this big massive pump, we could see the K value was 1.12, and this was a massive pump. And I encourage everyone, do not hold on to these pennies long. Pennies are junk. They're trash. They're pumps and dumps. Look at any penny stock. They're all had these same charts. All the charts are like this. They big move down, reverse split, goes down again with a reverse split, had these little pumps and dumps, and then do another reverse split, and the cycle continues because they're diluting the shares. They need money. There's a reason why it's under $1. It is not a long hold at all. If you want to trade stocks that are slower gains, then do stocks over $5 with my system. I promise you, you will get very consistent wins. I have yet to lose on a stock over $5. Pennies are going to be a little more speculative, so I'm not going to say, oh, this can't go any lower. But if you do watch my videos, my swing trading education, and you watch how to properly accumulate my reversals, you're going to be very safe with that. I have a very unique way of doing it because I'm not trying to say I'm going to get the exact bottom because it could have hit this ATR4 right here at around 60 cents, but it decided to go lower. But then again, you wait till the end of the day to buy. And that's why it's so crucial because when the sellers go down, what happens is they bring it all throughout the day. Can you see these massive candles? The only time that you can regret on not doing it is when there's a bullish hammer candle like this. You can see right here it goes down and then it comes back up. But that don't happen as often. It is better to buy it at the end of the day. Are you touching this green lower ATR4, which you are? Do you have time distance away from the 5? Anything that don't touch this EMA 5 in 7 days is long. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is my magic lucky number of like, wow, this is extremely oversold. You have this, how much is your profit to the EMA 10? You're looking at a 78%. So everything is in line to me. I like the EMA 5 for sure, 34%. And I'm very conservative. I know these pennies are really risky, so when I'm up 10%, I'm scaling out. It doesn't matter how good the position or how much room up to these EMA 5s or 10s, because I know if we don't hit it, then the price goes down and it fluctuates. 10% is good, and then I scale out as we go. Because like I said, say you do 5 trades and and you make 50% like that. Obviously, a lot of these are going to give you more than 10% because a lot of the times when these run, it's going to be pre-market and after hours. So do keep that in mind. Like I had 3 trades run this week. CETX ran big for me. I was doing the same analysis, and we made big. This thing went up 38 cents. But how convenient? Where did it run big? Right after hours, and that's kind of what I want to show you guys on the ADTX. It's going to run up big on those trading hours where people can't usually trade. So I highly recommend everyone gets Webull. It's definitely important. But yeah, this ADTX, very depressing. That's good. Everyone's depressed about it. Now it can go up. I think this is definitely a clear buy zone. I like it a lot. End of the day, I would buy this. Hands down. I'm not in it right now, but in the day, I'm going to look to get into a position. I like this one a lot. K value's low. EMA 10's due for a touch. I'm not seeing anything concerning. They purchased a 2.28 Series F1 convertible for stock. So as long as a stock is not getting delisted, then I love this system here. If a stock obviously is failing to report things, is about to get delisted, then yes, it's extremely risky, right? Because when we're swing trading, I'm showing you a swing trading strategy, we have to use the daily candle, and we have to be comfortable with, okay, I can hold this overnight and feel safe. Whereas, I've seen this setup happen so many times. We're conservative due for this 5, and then we're due for the 10. So I have massive room up. If it goes a little lower, then I'll follow my accumulation rules that I posted in the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is the time to do it. I think you guys are going to learn a lot. You guys are going to learn patience. You guys are going to understand a strategy that does work religiously, consistently. And like I said, if you do it over $5 stocks, it works way better. But if you want higher gains and higher risk reward and not want to put a lot of money in it, then I recommend pennies. Just don't put a lot into it. I recommend $5,000 max, depending on your account, and you can make massive money with just a simple 1K. Actually, you don't need a lot. So if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll be pinned. It'll also be in the description too, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. It doesn't mean you're a subscriber yet. What you want to do is please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, it's super easy. You just subscribe on your computer or just use your phone's browser like Google, and then you can use your phone just as fine. Avoid scammers. I will never message DM you or trade your accounts. Just remember that. It might look like me. Someone can copy my profile. Trust me, I will never do that. And then you can read the testimonies of how lots of traders have made lots of money doing this simple strategy. If you hit day trade alerts, you can see right in here, that is going to give you the access to the highest subscription. On average, I showed a unique way for people how they can make $500 to $1,000 every day with only $50 in their bank account. I know this sounds crazy, but with the day trading strategy, I show futures and prop firms. I know this strategy works. I have passed many, many challenges, and you can get access to over $50,000 with only a $49 in your bank. So if you just don't have a lot of money, give it a try. And I teach all that through my day trading. But if you hit Server Shop, you can see the 2 services, Swing Trading and Day and Swing Trading Plus. The Swing Trading is going to be more for these kind of alerts on the daily time frame. They're slower. You might have to wait a week. You might have to wait 2 weeks, That's just the name of the game. But we have a proper system where we're not just randomly guessing. We're getting very precise bottoms. These indicators are customized to be set up very nice, and we're using multiple to give us the best signal with time distance. And you'll learn all those acronyms and all those rules when you look at my education videos. But $6 a month for swing trading, and then I highly recommend the day in swing trading for $12 a month. Gives you access to everything, and you can be a full-time trader with that service. I will teach you how I've been able to do it for over 6 years, what I've learned and what I wish I knew, and I will teach you guys all that. And I also do live streams right here that you can join me, catching me on my live stream, going over the setups, the day trade, swing trades, and all that good stuff. All right, guys, this is ADTX. I am very bullish on it. It's going to have a massive pump easy over 10%, and it has rooms up all the way to the EMA 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and as everyone gets depressed, I'm buying this stock. That's just the name of the game. When people get super depressed and I use my system, I can see where this is a good buy. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out.